Hi guys, welcome back to another video and today we're playing Tag Time Attack in Subway Surfers. So basically it means get as far as you can before time runs out. I never played this mod before, so I'm gonna play it. And it's in London and I love London. So let's start. Score 10,000 and 1,000. Wait, I could not even read. I could not even read. I could not even read. What do they even want me to do? It's for like 1 minute. What can even happen in that? Yeah, you guys tell. What can happen in a freaking minute? You need more than a minute. Oh! I missed it. Wow. Such a dumb. Let's go! 10 seconds. I missed the first one or else I could have gotten something better. No! I missed it again. I will not miss that. Boom! Yeah. That's what I'm talking. That's what I'm talking. There's another. No. Yes. 10 more seconds. Let's go. One more. Yes, I got it. I'm a master disaster at this. How am I gonna get up there? I cannot get up there. Then multiply. Okay, fine. I guess. Give me that time limit. Is it gonna be on a train? I don't know. Oh yes, I found another one. Let's go. A sun one. Oh no, I can't die. Wait, 20 seconds. Can I please get another one? I missed it. Oh my god, I don't even pay attention. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why not? Do we continue? Oh, time's up. Just a bit more. I don't want a bit more. Okay, looks like I completed all of my achievements. I just said I don't want the stupid ads. Get out. Claim reward. What? Okay. 2 hoverboards. I'm happy. Dude, I don't want any advertisements, okay? Ooh, this is a super fun game. Interesting. Wait, what am I doing? What the world was about to do? Okay. Let's play one more time. 9. Because they're not gonna let me play. It was only one time. Oh my god. Let's go to no floor challenge. Why not? Wait, what? Who is that? I don't even know who's that character. What's 10,000 points? I remember. You can get out of my way, fatty. Yeah. I just want to see the one time what happens when I touch the lava. And I want to see the animation. I'll do it. Wait, what? Oh! I did not know that skateboard would work on the lava. Yo, that was actually cool. Oh! Wait, what? No, go down. No force challenge even the world. Okay. Thank you, I guess. Difficulty increased. I have my skateboard. I don't need to worry right now. Oh my god. Heh, you think that's difficult? Yo, what was that? Yo, what even was that? Oh. Yeah, you're messing with me. You're messing with me. Boom. Yeah, I don't even have the skateboard. How can trains even walk on lava? I mean, walk on lava. Oh my god. Why do now we do it again? Going balls, Luna, strike to row, boom, get out of here. We're going again. I don't want to win any person. Yeah, I hate winning people. Complete all 5 stages to win Lily. Yeah, I don't care. Wait, get result. High 5. Week 21 Diamond India. Okay, I'm happy with Diamond, I guess. Where am I? Oh my god. I'm so low on the list. Who's first? Tato? Even is that? I'm going to my home. Let's go. Nah. What is classic mode? I'll take tricky, why not? 25 points. 25,000. How do you think I'm gonna score 25,000? I beat myself, let's go. I'm so happy. There's a imposter tricky. What? I did not know that. I was thinking it's me, it's imposter tricky. Who do you think I am, imposter tricky? I don't know why her name tricky. It should be something else. Like it's kind of the British accent when you say tricky. I mean, not like that, but tea, I don't want tea. Get out. Oh yeah. All is well. I just need to 10,000 more points. That's easy. Anybody can score 10,000 points. Okay. That was a close call. What does team stand for? Star. Okay, I understood. Wait a second. Why the sound change back? You know guys, I just uploaded a short like one day ago, like I love the old Subway Surfer song, but it's over here. The word was over there. Hey, maybe this classic mode. Oh, I get it. Okay, maybe I was wrong. I will explode everything. Boom. I'm the explode master. Ah, what do you think? Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Wee. Give me all of the coins. Give me all of the coins. Wee. Boom! That was such a close call. I just could have died over there. I just did a late roll, but still I survived. I don't know how. Yeah, get the vibes. Oh, that was a close call again. I just love this song. Oh, shoot! I already have one. I don't want to get one. No, I don't want to install it. When in the world is this gonna finish? Got a free life, even though I had a call. Yo, where did I even get that from? Where in the world did I even get that from? I just don't know, but I guess this is luck, yeah. I'm a skateboard, boom, take that. Oh yeah. I had a key. That did not go in waste actually. Give me the jump boots, no! Yeah, you want explosion? I'll give you explosion. Boom! I love the explosions in this game. A lot. You have a coin? You have a key, I mean. Yeah, this is called smart. Being smarted. Oh yeah. Wait a second, I think we already crossed it. Why not we go some more, huh? I'm not scared. Come in front of me. You losers! Where are you? Where are you losers? Let's just jump up the more time. As the cool sun. I wish I had a magnet. A magnet would be really helpful, thank you. I just go straight. Abort done. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is so freaking easy. Oh, I wish I'd lasted long. I mean, I can do that from the settings, but I have time. Maybe I was wrong about the nostalgia. I completed it for a second time. Wow. I mean, it could only happen because if I watched that ad and I had that key. I just love this. Yeah, I'm just seeing it again and again, but I just love it. All credits to the music director. Yeah. Dun 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 dun. Nobody even gets irritated of this song. I mean, it's so good. Another one of the boom. Let's go. Yeah, this is called lucky. Oh. Yeah, I'm just getting so many coins. Mystery box, let's go. I'm happy. Yeah, Tricky's running super fast. But not better than Jake. Ooh, 10 multiply. Wow, thanks. Boom! You're scared of me, huh? Are you scared of me? Are you scared of me? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Boom! 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 I got my magnet out. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This is for a rich life. For the third time in the whole history, I completed Classroom Modeling. Wow! I'm just so good at this. One more key, let's go! I'm so lucky. If I die, I'm gonna end the video. Yeah. I'm just a too pro at it. Yeah, I'm just gonna not fall down by stupid tricks. Yeah. Who do you think I am? I'm the hacker, I'm the disaster. Oh my god! Let's just do a cool trick. Boom! Yeah, that's a cool trick. Oh no! I forgot it all. Okay, looks like I need to improve my quick senses. Yo, that's such a new scope with Tricky. I got a money, and I got spray, and I got hoverboards. Yo, what the hell? Are you just? Okay, I just don't know what to say right now. How are we in the world as we supposed to skip this ad? I don't care, okay? Yeah, you're so dumb. You're making everything wrong. Yeah, you're so dumb. Find differences. Play. I will not play. Get out. Wow, I just got... I just claimed all of my awards after an hour later because of these stupid ads. So guys, I guess this was for today, and if you guys want more videos, like and subscribe. Bye guys. That was kind of quick.